Okatakyie Afrifa di nkomo bi abusua wo kiremu a e Ghana mampanyini His Excellency Sammor-Duah wa disrespect eye wopemso e de benti ani nyina ne se thank you to okoye no wa ma ho kwan ama eye Sammor-Duah wonye Sampa manhene atutuntuma aba betena se asan so achia na abusua wa kan se bebrebe domu asiko ha ya media Ghana ba share wa like a comment ama foforo so enya bi ahwe. So what Europe and America now send this card about Ghana kwade nyame admet na eni edi salanti send this car e fabric here say we be use e send wave money app na easy so we be send e found network kro a we use obetumi di asend e di aba say mobile money wallet na bank account so obetumi asend e your first transaction no ubenya e $20 free the here say we be using e promo code JSXM2 we use your first transaction no kwade ubenya eye $20 free. I was not say nyina ye hu se eye thank you to His Excellency Sammor-Duah ekono kopie mu obno ne patamu honom ne ade ho ene hu se eye Sammor-Duah asese no wonya Sampa manhene etutuntuma ade agusu atese na nasangbaja flower no ene Otumfuor declare wono na eye Sampa manhene no krampo entimi ama ho na Okatakyie Afrifa ensem a waka na ade a wo His Excellency Sammor-Duah ye se wode nsa atu nsa numa bonumu achia eye Sammor-Duah a wonya Sampa manhene no abra wotutuntuma agusu na esenka eye na nasamba jafla ene ba betina se adwumadi na so na betina se ndie na chese eye Ghana mampanyini abu eye wopemso animtia na wose ade a Sammor-Duah Ghana mampanyini aye no wansha na ekofantokwa ababato eye Sampa entem esanse ahemfumienu ena sese wo mo preso ewo wodabusua enkomode wadidi bi wakeka nsem bia emowram nienti efiro no ankasa enum
we ni bema wo didi me matem na ka me no msu de kanuan mo kopoku didi matem o ndct yeah politics ne be ye na no wonu so adwa wo so ko randia be ho na randia ama no aya contract it say ya ni dwa o ana dwamama ba ye senior men na wani mu no kwam ye wada ko ayuko ayi Otumfuor ni ade say so amomo yi to mo so chitafo nyina adwa ana asantefo ne wo mu ni akamfo ne wo mu ni nyina wa sideline bebre o mo so adwa na adoma hin say adwuma wo ye ma mu nyina no say mo ba mo ne santehine na ahwebo mu o mo ne santehine na ahwebo mu o eti na adoma hin say obedwa eti adwuma wo ye ma mu 2020 no 24 wanya adwuma ni bi o na adoma hin o ka so abake kan ni nua mu tira bo mu tira wo ye ni bi o ama dabi na say kura wonu ne ho ese kwan of aso a wotete ni nuan makamfo ntem se be ya mbeto aba ma ndisi no ese wonu ne ho ya ne nuan no wonu ne ho eti se onu so onye biu eti kofi se ya adwuma ni besi why you deck ti se ya na ma political party no super why na do ma hini se ni ade kopeke do other one na ho anso no 5 yimi kwachire ebe hi misu okaso ade nso wose bebe no ba bebe peja ba ko bebe no so ba bebe peja ye nyina na afa mu so ba ya bebe peja ba ko ne eso ade bubefu na do ma hine na go fi we man fantwam da ni hwese sa picture na President Mahama chia ayi abranche bi oso ye friend say Sampa hine no Sammor-Duah. Okay, so the picture is on the page. Fabra ni yanka sam chejo ma President Mahama sante hine bube na wanti ase. Sa wo so bu sante hine. E na no video bi a manfo tag me say President Mahama so ne sante hine so nyina na omudi agora akọ nye ne hore. Na sabi obi sire nanim na omuna ne tirim. Eti se o mu sante hine. E se o bu sante hine na ne kuro ne Sampa. Enie sa picture we. Sante hine na ne kuro ne Sampa. Ana wo President Mahama sante hine say asumasi na ye Sampa man hine. A wo ya we. Court we declare say sa branche we nye Sampa hine. Court we declare President Mahama say the court wa kan the sante hine was one ni di agrofrin collaborate kan omu bia eti abranche we no legitimize no na sante sadia eti ne se wo president wo kokututu abranche so na e man hine o Sampa e wo abra president ayi sante hine ashada de obi asi wo se ayi Sampa man hine na wo so bu sante hine no If so before the president Bekono, no national security for her, they knew said this guy was there.
Exactly.
So Okwana Koye, after a branch and one legitimizing
Precisely.
we are Subusantine. We are the Busantine. It is Antine said the Bunibe. Our Flagstaff also. Also said that this Sampa mine in the no custom children will.
Ira, Obeni, and the tree. But also one, and I did a cheat. Say the name there, but never chill. The guy now two symbol. I'm not a sooner mind. Not a Wansa mind. I'm not Sampa mind. Not from Butter mind. I'm not a Bim mind. I'm not a Totosu mind.
It is Antine said the Bunibe. Our Flagstaff also. Also said that this Sampa mine in the no custom children will.
Fire.
So Okatakyie branches one as Sampa mine. And the same thing that President Mama here and what you can say a boko and to question. If the Santine say the coronas a yes Sampa. Ne my hinini. Court with the assistant Sampa Nyampa, my hinena and a yes Sammor-Duah.
Precisely.
Nana Jafla. And the war president to say by your action you've legitimized this boy.
Exactly. So.
Okay, confusion. We are also Busantine. One in the diagro free collaboration. None in the diagro and Kakola was 1 year mine. And Kabaka channels are mine. That can go say it was sitting in trim. Why a man for target? Santine were penny. One do no be a free. And so when him, and what did what take?
More fire.
Ubusantine. Nagabachi branches were mine. Eh? He say no one legitimize the branch anyway. And to come see Sampa.
No, I have friends.
No, I have friends and tennis on Concourse.
I have a prepared speech here, but before I read the speech, I'll make a few comments. I'll beg permission from Nana Otumfuor to reveal a few personal things. Nana Wadaroma. I was a little boy growing up in Ringway Estate, Sosu. And my father's house was directly opposite Nana Eduhene's house. And so Nana Eduhene's children, Kojobo Chio, Kwame Nkrumah, and all of them were our friends. And Nana Eduhene's nephews that he was bringing up were Atua Hoy and Kwamna Hoy and all of them. And so they used to come on holidays from school and spend holidays there. And then there was another of Nana's children who used to come and spend holidays. We used to come Kweku. It turned out to be they were slightly older than us. We were younger. And so they used to send us to buy ice cream and all kinds of things for them. And they used to come during vacations. So later when I became a minister and were installing the next Otumfuor after Opokuwari died, they installed Nana Osei-Tutu II. I said, but this is Eduhene, Oye Sefini, Oye Denkoye. Oye Denkoye Asante Hene, Sefi 40 midi Asante Akunyana. Then Nana told me a story, and then it fitted the jigsaw puzzle together. Apparently, his uncle sent him to Nana Eduhene's palace to be groomed as a king. And that's why he used to come to Ringway on holiday, because Nana Eduhene was the one who was looking after him. So our relationship goes back to when I was a child, And so, of course, when he became the king of Asante, Meshia became my home, and he's been like an elder brother to me. He's counseled me very frankly on occasions when I was vice president. We faced issues to do with the IMF. I went to him. It was him who, went to New York, went and spoke to the IMF director and all that. And they opened up the extended credit facility to us. So, Your Majesty, I thank you very much for your friendship. There's a very special one. The first time, Professor Mills sent Bafuboni of blessed memory and a team to come and tell me that he wanted me to be his running mate. And at that time, I had made my plans to leave politics. So my response was, no, I won't do it. So later he sent Atuahoe and Totobikwachi and Kwamina to come and ask me to accept to be his running mate. Again, I said no. And so one day I was in Accra, I got a call. It says, Otumfuor wants you in my share. Who am I to refuse? So I got up and went. And when I went, I said, hey, only I say, Professor Bill say, Beye, Nabedi Che, Nabedi Vice President, I will say, Debbie. Hey, oh boy. He says, when your country calls you, you can't refuse. He says, I was sitting in London somewhere, and my kingdom called me to come and be Otumfuor. I think I don't want to enjoy the free life that I had to do it, so you cannot refuse. So he said, okay, I'm going to South Africa. I'm going to meet President Mills. When I come to Accra, I want your response, because I promised him I'll bring a response. So when Otumfuor came to Accra, when Otumfuor makes a request, who are you to refuse? So when he came to Accra, I went to him, and he said, yes, have you made up your mind? And I said, yes, I've made my mind, but tell Professor Mills I'll do it for only one term. And Nana said, even if you do it for only one day, we'll accept it. The rest is history. And so it was instrumental in me becoming Professor Mills' running mate, and of course we went on to win that.
Empanyi sika kumye jene kwakuo enum zanso no bi nsitro dodo matwa we Okatakyie Afrifa ne nsem ankasa wono ankasa kan ho eno wa gochim se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wobu opim so pa wonya sa esan se ono ankasa ene ba beka se ebra wosusa no opim so mo ne ahemfu ni bi ena na di agro ne ade keke kasa nsem wie no so ohwedin ehye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na chese siriye eno sire ekire opemso nensu ni muni die na chese entisa woni do baako sei ede mano na bizo wei ene nsemo Okatakyie Afrifa ekaye efa Sammor-Duah ene Nana Jafra se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama okoye ekwokwachia obi a Otumfuor amyehu se wonya hene ewo Sampa eno ebuja drop with decent comment or comment section watch a video am for enya bi ahwe wa like so e de akawa ha Yala Media Ghana midin the Achre Bruni.